We are now going to do exercise 21-11. Most Solutions, Inc. issued 10% stated rate of bonds dated January 1 with a face value of $640 million on January 1st, 2021. The bonds mature in 2031, 10 years. For bonds of similar risk and maturity, the market yield is 12%. Interest expense is recorded at the effective interest rate. Interest is paid semi-annually on June 30th and December 31st. On the issuance of bonds on January 1st, the bonds payable is credited for $640 million because the stated rate of interest was lower than the market rate of interest. We have a discount. They debited cash for $566,589,440. The debit is a discount on bonds for the difference between the face value and the actual cash received, which is $73,410,560. They would show in the finance section the receipt of cash for the amount of cash they received. It is the cash received, not the actual face value of the bond. So that would be, in the finance section, there would be an increase in cash of $566,589,440. Now, what would the amount be on the operations, which would be the interest expense? Now, they paid $32,000 semi-annually. The total amount of interest for the year would be $64 million, which would be the $640 million times 10% divided by 2. So they promised to pay cash of $32 million. However, the interest expense on the income statement would be the cash paid plus the amortization of the discount, which means on the income statement, the interest expense would be $33,995,366. So we have to reduce the interest expense by taking the $33,995,366, reduce that for the amortization of the discount, which is $1,995,366. So we are now going to show in the operations $32 million, cash from operations. You have to show the cash, not the interest expense, because part of the interest expense was the cash paid plus the amortization of the bonds discount.